Hello! Welcome to my kitchen again, and it's me, Shell of Lemon. So today, I'm going to make a special because I'm going to make this for my husband. So because he is a keto diet, so I'm going to make a big keto empanada. So before I'm going to start, I'm going to introduce the ingredients that we're going to use to our keto baked empanada. So let's join with me, guys. This is the ingredients to our keto diet dough. So we need a half teaspoon of salt, a 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, and a 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, 1.5 cup of a mozzarella cheese, and 1.5 cup of almond flour. So that's our dough. For our fillings to our keto empanada, we need butter, half teaspoon of paprika, half teaspoon of cumin, olives, onion leaves, chop of onions, boiled egg, and chop into cubes, ground beef, and salt and pepper. So what we need first is we need to mix our 1.5 cup of mozzarella cheese, this is a mozzarella cheese, and then 1 tablespoon of a cream cheese. There you go. We're done microwave for 1 minute, and then we're going to mix. There you go. It's already mixed, and then we're gonna set aside this, and then we're going to our flour. We need a 1.5 cup of our almond flour. Go 1.5 almond flour, and then we're going to add our salt and baking powder, and then mix it, and then mix. And then we're gonna put it here. Then we're gonna start to mix with our mozzarella and cream cheese. Then we're going to put our mozzarella mix in our almond powder mix. There you go. And then we're going to start mixes. Just like 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, we could add our 1 egg. And then we're going to mix like 3 minutes again. So guys, after 3 minutes, that's done. It's done, our dough. And it's ready to there you go, guys. If you could see our dough. Ayan. Ready to get a plastic wrap. then we're going to wait like 15 minutes. We're gonna set this dough for 15 minutes. Ayan. And then we're ready to cook to our fillings, to our empanada. So let's saute our onion, and then we're gonna put our ground beef, and then we could add our cumin, paprika, pepper, and salt. And this is done. We're gonna turn off our range, and then we could add our onion leaves, and then the olives, and then our boiled egg, and then mix it. And this is ready for our empanada fillings. Did you see that? With me. So let's preheat the oven to 350. Gonna put bake, and then 350 and start. So by the way, earlier, after I formed this into bowl, I put in the fridge like 15 minutes, and now it's kind of a little cold. So now we're going to cut, and we're going to make a empanada wrapper. That, and then we're gonna cut into half. There you go. Ayan, look at that. Okay, and then we're gonna set aside the half. And then we're gonna form the half first. Here, we're gonna put here. Squish. Then we're going to flat the dough. There you go. Look at that. Wow. And then, what we need, if you have a lid of a jar, you could use this. And then, for cutting stuff. Ay, ganda. And then this, another one. Ayan. Meron na tayong isa. Empanada wrapper. Ay, nahisi. It's okay. There you go. Empanada wrapper or dough. Empanada dough. There you go. And then after that, we're going to put, what we're gonna do, we're going to put the fillings inside. So you're gonna grab ingredients like that. Look at that. And then I have egg whites here. And then we cook varnish egg whites on the edge. There you go. Egg white or water, it's fine. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna close. Make it slowly so that it won't gonna break your dough. Ayan. And then it's already closed. If you see, it's already closed. And then what you're gonna do is fold, and fold. It's not really perfect. Ay, nagisi. Ayan, but it's okay. trial and error, it's fine. There you go. Fold. Fold. Because this is very sensitive dough, because this is a almond flour. It's not like a all-purpose flour. Ayan. Ta-da! There you go, guys. See? And guys, oh, this is another one. Close, close. And after you close on that side, and then fold on the edge. Fold, 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 fold. And fold. Ayan. Ta-da! There you go, guys. I made 8 empanadas. Did you see that? And then, it's not done yet. Before we're gonna bake, we're going to varnish with a white, egg white. Ayan, varnish. And it's done, and it's ready to bake. Put it in the oven. There you go, guys. It's done. After 30 minutes, my empanada, it's already cooked. If you could. So now, here's my guest. And this empanada, I made this for you, and this is my first time.
Okay.
So I want you to try what it tastes like,
Yeah.
because this is a keto empanada.
Keto empanada.
So tell me what it tastes like. You better than say
I'm not.
it nice.
I'm not like you where you eat well.
You like it? You like it? The feelings inside.
Yeah.
And
I thought I wouldn't like the.
How about the dough?
I was gonna say I thought I wouldn't like it baked, but I like the texture and the flavor.
The flavor.
Uh-huh.
It's not like a regular all-purpose flour, but it's an almond flour. You like it? How about the feelings inside? What did you taste inside? What it is?
Well, the meat
Mm-hmm.
and the onion.
Mm-hmm.
I'm seeking the olive. I haven't had that yet.
Yeah, but I still have leftover of feelings.
Yeah.
There's an olive, and what else that you taste there inside? Or you're gonna look? No. Say it.
Egg, onion.
Picky.
No, I taste the egg,
Yeah.
the onion. I haven't seen the olive yet, but it's just that one.
And that's for the keto diet. So it's and I'm going to try, of course. Because,
Are you?
Yeah.
You don't want?
Try this one.
You want
The
to
small
try?
one.
Oh, you want to try the small one?
I'm going to try because I never tried the almond flour.
Oh,
So-
almond flour is awesome.
Not bad. It's okay. Tastes like a flour too.
And the egg.
You know that it's so hard to close
Yeah.
because it's very delicate, the flour from the all-purpose flour. But I made it perfectly, I guess, when I did it.
Whoa.
There's a some that it's open, but it's okay.
Yeah.
But the rest is
Yeah, it's not a big deal.
not bad, right?
Yeah.
You like it?
Good job.
Better, right?
Of course.
So guys, there's a good. You like it? So guys, if you like the way I made a keto empanada,
Yeah.
what you gonna say?
This is a whole new series, by the way, right? Yeah. If you like how she did the video on how to make the empanadas, please comment below. Of course, put the thumbs up, like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. And look forward to the next video. Right?
Right, Say bye.
Say bye.